Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is Keji. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt. Today, I am diving into one of the most exciting yet potentially daunting experiences: buying your first home. It is a journey that is filled with dreams, your dream home, but it can also be paved with common pitfalls. So, whether you are buying a first time home buyer, or know someone who is, this video is a must watch. I will be highlighting the top 5 mistakes to avoid when buying your first house, when making investment in buying a home. It is an investment. This is one of the largest investment most people will do in their lifetime. So you want to avoid this mistake. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will not miss any of my real estate tips. Now, let's jump right in. 5 mistakes to avoid when buying your first house. Mistake number 1: not getting mortgage pre-approved. So it's easy to look on Zillow or homes.com and see all these houses. However, the first step to buying a home is getting a mortgage pre-approved. You want to get a pre-approval for mortgage. There's a pre-approval, there's a pre-qualification. Two different things. Pre-approval gives you a clear understanding of how much you can afford to borrow and will make you a more competitive buyer. Sellers will more likely look at your offer, although you should not write an offer without a pre-approval if you already have a pre-approval in hand. You should not write an offer if you don't have a pre-approval because we don't know what you qualify for. So avoid this. Number 2, overspending on your dream home. You want to avoid it. That's why you need to get pre-approval. It's easy to fall in love with a house and let your emotions get the better of you. Very easy. However, it is important to stick to your budget. You want to have a budget in hand before you step into this zone of home buying. Don't overspend on a house you cannot afford. Remember, you also need to factor in the cost of property taxes that can go up every year, homeowners insurance that's most likely to go up, and maintenance. And apart from that, you still have the utilities, the homeowners association. Do not overspend. Number 3, waiving the home inspection. In the hot market, buyers waive home inspection. You don't want to do this. Home inspection is a crucial step in the home buying process. This will identify any major problem with the house, such as structural damage, plumbing issue, electrical hazard. Waiving a home inspection is one of the biggest mistakes you can make as a first-time home buyer. It could leave you with a house that requires expensive repairs that you don't have the money for. And remember, once you buy the house, once you sign on that dotted line, all the problem in that house now becomes your problem. So even in a hot market, do not waive home inspection. No. Mistake number 4, not considering the neighborhood. Location. The location of your home is just as important as the house itself. You want to do your research. Make sure you choose a neighborhood that is safe for you, that has good schools for you, and close to amenities that are important to you. So you really do not want to have your dream home in a neighborhood that you do not like. So you want to make sure you do your research very well. It's all about location. Number 5, ignoring closing costs. So in the previous video, I discovered what the closing costs are. So really, closing costs are the fees that you will pay at the end of the home buying process. This is different from your down payment. They can range from 3 to 5% of the purchase price of the home. So you want to factor this cost into your budget so you are not surprised when you are at the closing table. Of course, you're not going to get to that closing table before that. So you want to make sure you know what this closing cost is and budget for it. All right, so thank you for joining me today to explore these common first-time home buyer mistakes. So if you are in the market for your first home or have any question about home buying process, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to provide expert advice and guidance. This is what we do. This is keji. I'm a realtor in Maryland, DC, and Virginia, helping home buyers like yourself to buy their first or even upgrade their home. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family who may benefit, and please leave a comment. And if you have any question, please drop it out down there. I answer my question. So stay tuned for more on real estate insight on the video, and until next time, I'll see you. Happy buying.